Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to add SSL certificate to Porkbun domain, free SSL. So step number 1, login. You should arrive at the domain management screen. Click on account in the top right corner and select domain management. Locate the domain you're creating an SSL certificate for. One way to see whether or not your domain has an SSL certificate already is to look for the shield icon to the left of your domain. Select the Details button to open the Details menu for your domain, and on that menu, click on the Edit icon next to SSL. And that's it. You'll see a menu letting you know that we've begun generating your SSL certificate. You can navigate away from this page and we'll handle the rest. You should be able to return to this page in 1 to 2 hours and see the certificate successfully applied to the domain. That's it. Thanks for watching.